Thanks for checking out Hemlock Mountain Outdoors. I'm Kurt, and we're going to take a look at the new 2024 calendar from Hemlock Mountain Outdoors. This is all hammocks, 12 months of hammocks. Let's check it out real quick. All right, so to give you an idea, this is the big one. Is there a pull tab on it? Nope, doesn't appear to be a pull tab. So I'm going to cut this very easily. Well, the envelope's a lot bigger than the calendar is, but here it is. And it's got the hook up on top that you hang it by, and each page is double-sided. So yeah, that's a look at the new Hemlock Mountain Outdoors calendars for 2024. All the pictures are of Hemlock Mountain Outdoors gear, but it's not like blatantly in your face like Hemlock Mountain. And each one is kind of relevant to the season of the month. If you want to come over to Hemlock Mountain Outdoors and check them out, you can search for them in the search bar, or they're in accessories, or I'll just put a link to them right down in the video description. Hope you guys enjoy them. I'm going to keep this one here in the shop. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.